We are here at the final closing of the FierceCon LA celebration with our amazing sponsor who made this happen for us so we could bring women together from all over the country. We had many women coming for the very first time, many who had just seen maybe the post on Instagram or Facebook and really didn't know anyone and had no idea what to expect. Beginning with Friday night, we had a gala celebration on Friday night that was dinner, dancing, beautiful wine, and photo shoots and women connecting for the first time. And from there, we went on to Saturday, starting off with meditation with a master, Master David G, who apprenticed under Deepak Chopra. He created those 21-day meditations that Oprah and Chopra do together. And from there we went on and started our beachside chats. The theme of the beachside chats was rewire and inspire. We're changing our thoughts and our beliefs and our attitudes because I think midlife has to be the most cool, powerful time of life. Faced a fierce photo shoot with the fabulous Courtney Page Ray, where these women, many of them got photographed for the very first time in their lives. Then Sunday here, we had Peter Lee, the CEO of Saranghae, who was unbelievable. And this had to be the most life-changing experience in my life, and it was made possible by this amazing company. We couldn't do it without you. Saranghae means I love you in Korean, and our fierce love story started here, and it's just beginning here. And the love is building and growing, and we hope every single one of you will join this forever fierce revolution.
Oh, it's always inspiring. These are always absolutely inspiring events.
And it's about being about a tribe that really supports you, really will offer you good tips as how you can advance, and how you can be a better person. And that's what this weekend has been about. It's been about being a better you. So I am so grateful to be a part of Forever Fierce Revolution. I appreciate that.
We really had a good time. I know these ladies from social media because they comment, but to meet them in person makes them a real human being. And now I feel like I have friends. Like, these are not just followers that are sweet or whatever. Now I have real friends. I could visit them in Boston or New York or Canada, and we all have ideas and we feel creative, and we're gonna make new things out of this relationship. So now we've got the traditional human being connection.
I'm sad to leave, but I'm very inspired. Very, very inspired by all these beautiful women.
Overwhelmed in a good way. I have so much I want to work on. I can't wait for Monday morning to get going at it, to get in my planner and start just the rest of my life. You know, tomorrow's the first day of the rest of my life.
This event was really good because I think I'm finally accepting the fact that I'm not alone, and I don't have to. I can choose not to be alone, and these women can actually be my friends.
Oh my gosh, it's been the roller coaster of emotions, from the highs to the lows, to the learning, to the teaching, everything in between. It's been the best carnival ride ever.
We're going to have lots more. We have requests for all over the country and all over the world. So hopefully we'll be bringing FierceCon to you, or you will be coming to us. So cheers, beauties. Thank you.